Hello and welcome to another What's Inside. This time we're looking at Bear Valley. This is from Stronghold Games, designed by Carl Chudyk. I don't know how to pronounce that. It's for ages 8 and up, 2 to 6 players. Takes about 15 minutes to 30 minutes, depending on how many people you got playing. My experience is if you're goofing off a little bit, it's going to take about 15 minutes extra. Or if you play with people that are really slow. Welcome to my game group. This came out around 2016, and Stronghold makes some pretty cool games, so this should be pretty solid as far as gameplay goes. Now inside we are going to find 15 Valley cards, 79 Wilderness cards, 6 player cards, 6 player tokens, 18 equipment tokens, 8 gold tokens, and 1 rulebook. And it even looks kind of cool on here. So let's take a look at this and see what we've got. Alright, so here's our rulebook. And you can see the meeples, the gold coins, the equipment tokens, wilderness cards, valley cards, player cards. It's nice they've got all that on there. It's nice color. The quality's pretty decent. 39-page rulebook. And a lot of it is like maps and stuff. So don't get too intimidated by the length of the rulebook. That's actually not as bad as it seems. There's a lot of art and the maps and things like that. So that's kind of an idea of that. Obviously you need the rulebook in order to play the game. Here's our deck. And here's our tokens. Alright, here's our equipment tokens. And they're pretty thick, actually. There's 3 picnic baskets. 3, what are those called? Yeah, drawing a blank all of a sudden. 3 flashlights, 3 ropes, 3 canoes, 3 machetes. So, I keep wanting to say periscope. Anyway, my brain's melting. Alright. Our meeples are in this bag. Alright. The 8 gold tokens are just wooden pieces. They're thicker than your average chit, so they're actually fairly large. Then we've got our little camper guys. We've got green, gray, yellow, poo brown, purple, and a light blue. And they're just kind of your regular woodcut meeples. Nothing particularly fancy. They sort of look like they're deformed, but I think they're supposed to be running. So nothing too spectacular there. They're decent quality, but they're kind of the standard wooden pieces. I'm a little disappointed that the gold tokens aren't plastic, but not too bad. Can't complain too much. Alright, so then we've got our card deck. Let me adjust the camera so we can get a closer look at these, and we'll see what we've got here. Okay, so let's get the plastic wrap off. Maybe. Haha, there's a perforation here. I'm smart. Alright, so we have Violet, who is one of our players. She's the purple meeple, as you can see up here. And then it's got her character information on the back. She gets a water bonus, apparently. Then we've got Vertigo, who's our blue meeple. She's afraid of heights, and she has a mushrooms bonus. Then we have Sunny, who's the yellow meeple. She's afraid of the dark, and she gets a butterfly bonus. We've got Rocky, who's our gray figure. He's out of shape and has a mountain bonus. We got Fozzie, who's our brown meeple. And he has Afraid of Bears and a bear bonus. Afraid of Bears is a really good fear to have because it's legitimate. Then we have Forrest, who's the green figure, and he is allergic to trees. Why are you in the woods? He has a fox bonus. So there's our characters, our player cards. Alrighty, so now we're getting into the wilderness cards and the valley cards. We'll do the valley cards first. And they're represented with the backing of a blue color with the bear paw. So there's one with a camp and a little bridge. And we've got a little bridge with a different camp, or a tent rather. Bend. Forward going. There's just a bridge. It's another straight one, another bridge one. Different curve. It's probably the same curve, I don't know. It's just upside down. We've got another bridge. Two curves. Straight, curve, straight, curve. Alright. That's it. That's the valley cards. Now the wilderness cards are represented by this scary looking slash mark. So let's see what we got here. We got a machete symbol, a picnic basket symbol, junction, there's a rope, flashlight, flashlight, intersection, picnic basket, telescope, intersection, canoe, telescope, canoe, machete, intersection, curve, different areas. There's a bear! There's another bear. Another bear. Another bear. There's some gold. Another gold. Another gold, different card. Different design there. Lots of gold. There's a fox. There's some butterflies. Fox. 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 Butterflies. Some mushrooms. 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 Butterflies. 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 Bear. Rope. Alright, so that's what the cards look like. Card quality is pretty good. They're a little smooth. Sometimes this type of covering is a little cheap, but it doesn't seem too bad on this one. I'd be a little more concerned about the cards getting dinged up. They're good enough size that they should be able to fit in your standard sleeve protector if you want to try something like that. And see if you can get some clear ones to protect those from getting too scuffed up. The box is probably a little large, actually, for what you got, but it seems like a pretty interesting game. I've never had that many bad experiences with Stronghold Games. Usually they're at least entertaining. And for 2 to 6 players, could be a pretty fun party game. So only takes about half hour, 45 minutes. It says 15 to 30. It'll probably take a little longer than that if you have a lot of players. But ages 8 and up means that even younger players can enjoy this. So that's Bear Valley. We've seen what's inside. Quality is there. I would have liked the gold tokens to have been plastic or look more like coins or something instead of just wooden discs. But that's a small gripe, honestly. And considering the price point, I think you're probably getting your money's worth if you do enjoy the game. But that's just my opinion. As always, thank you so much for watching and supporting the channel. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss future reviews. And we hope to see you on the next one.